Hey, Big Gay Al, how's it going? You don't look too impressed with your new haircut and your scarf, eh? We'll take that off today. Derek keeps calling her Big Gay Al from South Park. So anyway, guys, if you don't notice, this is what we've been working on yesterday. We put new 3,500-pound axles in it, new equalizers, shackles, bushings, U-bolts, all that stuff. Because if you guys remember, me and Boog were going to the drags a couple weeks ago with that car, and one of these axles, the bearings gave up. So yeah, it's lovely. So that's all replaced. We're gonna switch the hubs over later on today. It's gonna be actually just a day of running around anyway. We're gonna go back to Princess Auto, get 4 new tires because these bolt patterns aren't those. So yeah, we're all just gonna go buy some new tires for that, and that way it'll be basically done today. Do some wiring on it at some point, and then so at least August long it'll be there, no problems. Right, Bailey? I mean, Big Gale. So anyway, and then today we're going to go to Corey Day's car show. I'm not going to film any of it, but yeah, even Kevin's coming with his 52, and Casey, believe it or not. I'm going to take this. I did have plans of taking my 35, pulling it out this week. That just didn't happen. So maybe in this video I'm going to pull it out, but yeah, sometime for sure next week I am going to pull it out. Hey, Bailey, you're just sniffing things out, eh? Later on this video we got to go to my buddy's place, clean up some stuff. I won't show it. It's just today's just gonna be one of those bloody days, but we are gonna go to the compound and show you one of the cars. Me and Derek were texting back and forth, and Chris, and I think this car we're gonna work on next year. I know a lot of people have asked. I'm not gonna say what it is, but we'll go show it, make a list and start buying some parts over the winter, and next year I think dig it out and start working on it. I've got an engine for it. If not, I will cobble another small block together for it. So I think that's going to be the plan. Right, Bailey? You're not coming. You're just looking around. So anyway, I'm really psyched about this. We had to do this a long time ago, but I don't know. It finally bit us in the ass. So anyway, ready to go for breakfast? I need my Coke. Yeah? Go for a car ride? Or are you too ashamed? You're cold, eh? You're cold. Hey? It's not even cold out. Anyway, alright, we'll be back here. Hopefully by that time, the guy should be here. I assume Chris is taking his Javelin, Kev's taking his Ford. I'm surprised. Ryan will take his 55, and I don't know what Derek's going to take. So anyway, enough rambling, and let's go get breakfast, Bailey, and get back to doing some work here. Alright, 1 turd, 2 turd. I can't make fun of Casey because he got me A&W cream soda. Yeah. Derek's satellites, the Javelin, 55, and Kevin's truck. The old Ford. Huh. Nice. At least he's still taking care of it. So yeah. There's the losers over there. Yep. And then there's the poor El Camino just sitting. Alright, ready to go? Then we'll go get tires.
Hi, Glenn.
Like I said, guys, I really don't know what this video is about. Honestly, I've got nothing. We're not working on anything at the moment. There's Chris in his Javelin with his 1 bad tire. Derek. And Boog with his... Alrighty. Okay, I'll follow you.
Well, as you can see, new tires, at least on this side.
Just 1 second. That was the best. Our neighbors were swearing. Anyway, continue.
Alright. Yeah, as you can see, new tires, at least on this side. There may be 1 on that side.
There's 2.
Yeah, everything's new, except for the springs. We kept the old leaf springs, but all the hardware, all both equalizers, the shackles, all brand new stuff. New axle, obviously. Everything seems to fit good. We had the shackles in upside down for a few minutes, but
we had a 4x4 trailer.
Yeah, quickly fixed that issue. And back to normal. So hopefully the tires wear evenly.
Hopefully.
If not, the
Scrap the trailer.
Yeah, we're scrapping trailer.
Are we?
Yeah.
Yes,
I'm
we
gonna
are.
hit it with a torch.
Oh. That's
I'm
fair.
done with it.
Because it'll be bent.
You haven't done anything.
And then Kevin will
Stop.
I'll take it, I'll take
I'll
it.
take it, yeah.
She's attacking Casey. She's attacking.
it.
She's attacking Casey. She's no more Big Gay Al. Her scarf's gone.
And then I think,
Hey,
Stop.
quiet.
I believe in the plan in a couple of weeks we'll dig my trailer out.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go to Ricky's place in a bit.
Yeah.
I'm tired. Alright.
Well, it's been a long time, but we are going to bring this car back to life. The 60 Pontiac 2-door. We gotta, what's gonna happen, it's not gonna be a 6-cylinder, it's gonna be a 327, dually heads on it. Yeah, it's a virgin block what we have, that's in really good shape. And we started already cobbling up the brakes for it. Got a windshield, gotta
Yeah.
pull out of another car over there, because it's cracked. But we do have another windshield. And the 6-banger is coming out. And yes, we've had a lot of people ask about this car. And I'm gonna finally say, yes, we're gonna do it. But my Studebaker truck is gonna be done first this winter. Then this is gonna come in after my Studebaker truck. That's the whole plan. But she's a little rough, but we can fix that. That's not a problem. We can fix that. And this is going to probably be the hardest part, is taking this out, redoing the sheet metal, 'cause it's got the ribs in it. And I'd like to have it back to factory. I don't want the 70 moon roof. But whatever. But this is going to come back to life. It's an update. We're not going to drag it out yet. It's going to be this fall we're going to drag it out. This car, and because this is the 60 Pontiac Wagon. And then,
Oh my god.
coming through the jungle. But that's an easy thing to do. Put the motor in, do the brakes. That's easy. I'm not going to do a heck of a lot of body work. And then, I had the bright idea, 'cause this
Oh.
is the 59 Pontiac. I had the bright idea, 'cause this car's solid. I was going to pull the 6-cylinder out of that 60 Pontiac and put it into this Pontiac. Because the motor, something, I think the cam or something broke in this. So
We couldn't get it started the one time.
yeah,
That was a few years ago.
distributor's not
Yeah,
so it's the cam is timing
Oh
chain,
no, I
something
remember
snapped.
that.
Right.
Yes.
And this car is solid. So my idea was I was going to put the 6-cylinder out of the yellow car into this car. And Corey's, yeah, that's good. And then the next day he said, no, it's not fast enough. It's going to be too slow with the old Power Glide. And so Corey ended up, he got a running 350 motor already. So we're just going to pull the 6-banger out of this and the 2-speed Power Glide and drop a 350 in it with a 350 turbo transmission and revive this car back to life. This is coming out too. This car's coming out. Just because it kind of belonged in the family, kind of, so. And she's pretty nice. And I'm hoping one of the brothers will drive it. I'm hoping. But this is just a little update that these 2 Pontiacs are not forgotten. They are going to be brought out.
This
And the
one's
Chevy truck
nice.
too.
Except for the seat there.
Yeah, it's a little. We can take care of that after. But this car is going to get I think it's a 350. The other one can get the 327.
Mm-hmm.
And we will be update videos coming with these vehicles being yanked out of here. So he's coming.
Mm-hmm.
But I just wanted to let you guys know. And the Chevy truck, that's coming out too. We're just gonna leave this as just a road to change the windshield and
Yeah,
put a
it's,
rad in it and just have it as a running daily driver vehicle. Well, this is just a little quick update video, and then soon as
oh, it's dark. Oh,
soon
yeah.
as the fall comes, well, basically soon as when we finish Ryan's truck with the motor and that and the brakes, I'm bringing this truck home, and this is going to be finished. I already have a motor rebuilt for it again. And that will be put on the road. And the funny part is, that Studebaker's registered right now. It is.
It's not on the road.
It's not on the road, but it's registered.
Oh, yeah.
So it's just a quick update to let you guys know that we still have things coming up. It's just we've been on holidays and had some other stuff to take care of with family, and you know, life doesn't always go where you can play on cars. And also the houses needed repairs. We had to do yard work, our own vehicle work and stuff. So I'll just leave that as this, and I'm sorry, it's just a short video. It's just an update. So
Yeah.
but we'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah.